Hey guys, welcome back to another beautiful day. Today we are doing another autocross event. We finally have the tubular control arms on the Miata, and then we have the little wife back here that's going to be racing her FRS. So we're just out walking the course. So it's going to be a pretty good day. It's not like it's too hot, too cold. So once we get done walking the track, then we'll show you guys what all's been done to the Miata. And unfortunately, I don't have any front sway bars, so we'll be able to just tell how good of a difference it made between the stock arms and the other arms. So we'll be back. All right guys, so I want to show you guys the Miata and what all has been done to it. So here we go. So coming over to the Miata, so we have the big old front lip that we got done. It's got the full tubular suspension. You can kind of see the red peeking through right there. I've got these side skirts, and then I also built this massive diffuser. So this is what we're going to be trying to test today. So we'll see how it does. So guys, it is the day after Autocross, so they don't really let me record on the course or anything, so I wasn't able to get any recordings inside the car. But I'll tell you, it did end up making about a 3-second difference, which is huge with Autocross, and I didn't even have sway bars. So once I get sway bars, I feel like that's going to really increase the performance that I'm getting out of it. And I was also still on the crappy all-season tires, so I would highly recommend the tubular suspension from V8 Miata. It definitely made a huge difference. And I didn't want to get the tires just yet because I wanted to see if it was the tires that made the difference or if it was the not the sway bars, the control arms that made the difference. The control arms definitely made the difference. So the time I was getting was about 42 seconds, 43 seconds without them on my other suspension. On this suspension, my fastest time was, I want to say it was 38.5. And so I was staying consistent with 38s and 39s across the board. So I was keeping up with some of the fastest people that were there. One of the fastest times that we did end up seeing that day was 33, and it was a GTI. But I'm sure if the Miata had power, I'm sure we'd be right around there. So I did just get new tires and stuff installed on the Miata. So I just ended up going with some Kumo Ecstasies. So the next event, we're going to see how the tires do with the suspension. And I'm also still waiting for my sway bars. So I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes. But now we're gonna wash the Miata, and then after this video, I am gonna be installing a master switch on the back to show you guys on how you can turn on and off all the power to your car with just a switch instead of having to unhook the battery all the time. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. We'll get into the other video.